Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Crafting with Evie. I got another sketchbox. Yes, it is late at night. I just got home from work. So let's open this bad boy and see what's inside. So we got nice paper. So of course this is the feature artist. Very pretty. Got some flowers. It is Nicola Shaver. This is the August box, so I got it today. Then you got the menu, which I don't want to give too much away. So first item I pulled out is soft knives and colors. So these are like blending tools. And it shows you on the back how to put them on and what kinds we got. We got flat, oval, point, and round. I didn't say them in order, but that's okay. I remember seeing an episode of Waffle. She was calling them a piece of bologna. Next, I'm pulling out is Smith. Okay, I cannot pronounce this, but it looks like some pastels. Open it up. We got two. We got a yellow and a blue. Very pretty colors. So pretty. So this must be about pastels in this box. The next thing I'm pulling out is our paper. This is the, if you can pronounce that, Evalier paper. It's 260 GSM, 120 pound. This is pastel paper, and you get 80 different colors. And there's 8 sheets. So you get one of each color in that sheets. And so for the sticks retail for $7.60, and the paper retails for $13. So far so good. I'm just looking over, sorry guys. Then we have these two papers, style papers. Oh, this is for, these feels like sandpaper. But if you look down here, okay, ultra sanded pastel paper retails $4. You get 2 sheets of these 4x9. What else is in the box? Whoops. Without throwing Brent. Look at the pretty colors. Some earth reds. Those are some pretty colors. I'm thinking of flowers. Karen Dewage. I think I said that right. Another pastel pencil in white. And that retails for $4.40. So I should have another one. And we have this kind of pencil, another pastel. 8840, number 10. It looks like a black. Yep, I was right, in black. Retails for $3.10. So that is all. Oh, hold on. Ooh, look at the sketchbox sticker this month. Ooh. Yep, that is it. So empty box, but that's a pretty piece of artwork too. Had to share with you quick of what I got. I can't wait to play with these. It's kind of late at night, but I just wanted to do a quick video on what I got for the August sketchbox. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and you'll get notified when I, Crafting with Evie, post new videos. And I'm getting more art boxes coming soon. So take care of yourself, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!